Kittle and Best Kittel, the two truly exceptional sprint pigeons. They both achieved the title of first national ace pigeon sprint KBDB in Belgium. Their breeders have earned a reputation due to their outstanding performance. Dirk van den Bulk with Kittle and Best Kittel hails from the lofts of Daniel and Mihai de Haan Demenso in Thulen, Belgium. Let's delve into the fascinating world of pigeon racing and explore these remarkable pigeons. Kittle, born in 2013, was the first national ace pigeon KBDB, Belgian Pigeon Racing Federation, in the sprint category. His exceptional speed and racing prowess have made him a legend in the pigeon racing community. Kittle, BE 13-600-1398-03. First national ace bird KBDB speed 2013 with lowest coefficient, 0.95% ever in Belgium history speed ace pigeon. Fastest quivrain plus 25,000 birds, fastest quivrain plus 17,000 birds, also second, third, fourth, ninth average plus 2,000 birds. Father and grandfather of more than 20 times first prize all over the world. He is from the combination of Leo Heermans, Joe Schools, and Stefan Lambrecht's pigeons. Best Kittel, BE 15-102-93-62. This supercock had been crowned first national ace sprint KBDB with the smallest coefficient of the history. With an incredible coefficient of 0.89%, 1 on 6 races, he holds an absolute record in this discipline. As the best sprinter ever, he was given the name Best Kittel. His best top positions were: first national ace bird sprint KBDB 2017, fourth national ace bird sprint KBDB 2016, first Akun against 1,082 birds, first Akun against 841 birds, first Pont against 623 birds, and first Pont against 548 birds. One of the best sprint breeder in the world, Best Kittel, father and grandfather of at least 80 times first prize all over the world. Thank you for watching. Until next time.